Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the respective conversation that you wish to save, and then you gotta click on the three dots at the top right. So once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options and you're going to scroll down till you find the option of print, and you'll be able to see a widget open in front of you that would look like this. But if you're not able to find the option, you can simply click on Control plus P and you should see this window pop up in front of you. Here, you'll be able to see a couple of options. You'll be able to see the number of sheets of paper. You can select the destination, but we're not going to need that because we have to save it as PDF. So you're going to click on Save as PDF instead of Microsoft Print to PDF. And after that, you're going to select the number of pages, whether you want odd pages only, even pages, custom, or all. And then you can also select the layout, whether you want portrait or landscape. You can click on more settings and also set paper size, pages per sheet, the margins, you want scale, and other options such as headers and footers or background graphics. Once done, you can click on Save, and then you're going to select the place where you wish to save. For example, I'm going to click on Downloads. You can change your file name, but I'm going to let it be MetaSuite Language Fix. Click on Save, and then simply go to that folder where you just saved that. So I'm going to go to Downloads, and here is the PDF that I just saved. And that is basically how you can save ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.